Good morning and a warm welcome. I am Pradosh Sharma and you are watching News Flash. India has accused the Trudeau government of harboring banned terror groups, especially Khalistani elements. Intelligence sources highlight Canada as a hub for gangsters and Pakistani-backed Khalistani groups. Intelligence sources suggest Trudeau is prioritizing Sikh votes over diplomatic ties amid tensions with India over the killing of Khalistani extremist Hardeep Singh Nijjar. Canada has leveled up charges against Indian High Commissioner Verma without naming the case. Delhi's air quality has worsened with AQI touching 234, while nearby regions like Ghaziabad and Noida recorded higher levels. The government has enforced emergency measures under GRAP 1 as stubble burning incidents spiked post-October 10. After a security threat by the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, Mumbai police have increased protection for comedian and Bigg Boss winner Munawar Farooqui following an attempt by gang members to target him in a Delhi hotel in September. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar arrived in Islamabad for the SCO summit. He exchanged pleasantries with Pakistan's PM Shehbaz Sharif during a reception, marking the first high-level visit between the two nations in years amid strained ties. The Supreme Court rejected a stay on Punjab's ongoing Panchayat elections, citing potential chaos if elections were halted on polling day. The polling commenced at 8 AM and the High Court had earlier vacated the stay on the elections. NC leader Omar Abdullah is set to be sworn in as Jammu Kashmir's Chief Minister. Several opposition leaders from Indy bloc are expected to attend the historic oath-taking ceremony. An Air India Express flight from Ayodhya to Bengaluru was delayed after receiving a bomb threat. The plane carrying 132 passengers landed safely in Ayodhya, where security procedures were implemented. An Indigo flight from Saudi Arabia to Lucknow made an emergency landing in Jaipur following a bomb threat. The aircraft, originally departing from Dammam, was safely diverted for precautionary measures. Despite diplomatic tensions, trade and investment between India and Canada are expected to remain unaffected. India remains a preferred investment destination, with countries like the US showing strong interest in economic opportunities worth $3 trillion. The Israeli military discovered a Hezbollah bunker in southern Lebanon equipped with weapons and motorcycles. The base was intended for a larger massacre in Israel, with the tunnel stretching half a mile. India has signed a $4 billion deal with the US for 31 Predator drones to enhance military capability along the China border. The agreement finalized in Delhi signifies growing defense ties between the two nations. Kamala Harris slammed Donald Trump for threatening to use the US military against political opponents as both held competing events in Pennsylvania. Early voting is underway in swing states ahead of a tight 2024 election. India is taking seriously the allegation of a plot to kill an American citizen, as per a statement by the US on Tuesday. Indian officials met with representatives from the US State Department and the Department of Justice in Washington to discuss the issue. That's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.